Okay, as you remember, the step number one was to send the request to the server. Okay, in order to send the request to the server, we might be having a certain database, and this database must be having a certain spreadsheet or a certain table which will store all of these datas. Okay, so we will go now to our web browser. We will, in my case, I'll go to localhost phpMyAdmin. Then here we will create a new table. We click this new button, and I'm gonna name the table just simply requests, and the column number one will be ID, which will be of type integer, and the maximum length will be 11. And definitely here auto increment will put a check mark and we'll make it primary, means no duplicates can be allowed. And the next one, we need to write who has requested user 1, for example. So here we will write user underscore ID. So it means the current user who requested, here will be stored the ID of current user who did request. Okay, this is the length will be 11 as well. So then who did we request to add us as a friend? User 2. So we're coming back here, and here we will write friend ID that we want to be so write friend underscore ID. This is the person who we're requesting to add us. And the last one, it will be date created. Date created, this column is the column which every single table must be having in order to track when the certain data or row has been inserted. Okay, here we will search for the timestamp. Just you can simply type timestamp. Here we go. Default will write current timestamp. Whenever it's inserted, it will keep a current timestamp. Then here, as attributes, we write on update, insert current timestamp. Let's say you have added this today, for example, let's say 31st of December, and this row got modified, so it will update the timestamp. Okay. And here, just for good practice, we'll use UTF-8 Unicode, even though it actually is not required because all of our values are integer. So UTF-8 it's used in order to keep all the languages compatible. Yeah, okay. So this is our database. Make sure, guys, that you're having exactly same database like I do. Okay. So we've got now the database, and as the next step, we'll go now to the PHP part and we'll program a protocols which will insert the data into this table. Well done, guys, and let's go further.